Hey guys, welcome back to our notes on 13-2. So now we're going to be finding values of trig functions. So given any point P with the coordinates x, y in our coordinate plane, we can draw the terminal side of an angle through it. So remember, this would be my vertex and here would be my angle, theta. So this is always my initial side and my terminal side would go through my point. If you notice, if I draw a vertical height here, I've created a right triangle. Now the length of this side is my x distance to my point, and the length of this side is my y. Now in order to find my hypotenuse, I can do the Pythagorean theorem. So for this set of formulas we're going to set up here, we like to call R our hypotenuse, because eventually we're going to connect this to be part of a circle, right? So that this hypotenuse would be my radius. So that's why we're calling this R instead of C. And X and Y are connecting to my coordinates. So using the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Therefore, if I wanted to isolate R is the square root of x squared plus y squared. So the radius, keeping in mind we're going to be connecting this to a circle, which is why I'm calling it a radius now, is the square root of your x squared plus your y squared. So now from your theta, here is my theta. So y is always your opposite. My reference angle theta here, that's between my terminal side and my x-axis, my reference angle theta, y is always opposite. X is always adjacent, and r is always your hypotenuse. So if you're given a random point, even if you don't draw this visual, you know these will be true, given that your reference angle is this angle between your terminal side and your x-axis. So now I can find sine theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse, y over r. Cosine theta, adjacent over hypotenuse, x over r. Tangent theta will be opposite over adjacent, x over y. And this is true for any point given to us in the coordinate plane. So now remember that cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. And cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tangent. So we will use these relationships in example 4 below.